So here we go.
Yeah!
14 days, 4,000 miles, 6 states and 3 countries, and 1,000 stories. This is the vlog of my adventure. Today I'll be traveling from Lake Cachuma up to Big Sur. I hope you enjoy the ride. If I can find my way.
I've got a nasty habit of going the wrong way.
You see that sign?
Yeah, that says, John, you're going the wrong way. State Highway 154 is the other direction. I have to say though, I'm really appreciative of the sign, and I'm glad that I didn't get going too far, probably only a couple of miles long. So let's head back the other way and get on track. Day 3 of my ride from Mexico to Canada. I am in a place, I think it's either Solvang, it's right next to Los Olivos, California. Definitely wine country. You can see all the vineyards and lots of money up this way. Right now I'm driving through Goldberg, California, right over by Pismo Beach. Just headed out to take a look at the ocean. I can see it straight ahead. And it's beautiful. This is my first time to Pismo Beach. It's gorgeous here. I love it. I love the sound of the ocean. I love that you can drive your car down onto the beach. Obviously I didn't take my bike down there, but it's kind of cool that you can do it. So yeah, just gonna hang out here, watch the ocean for a while, listen to the waves, and we'll keep on keeping on. It's a live chess game. I'm riding on through, headed up the 1. From here I'll pass by Hearst Castle. I'm not gonna be able to take a tour today, but you know, is what it is. Can't complain. Obviously life is good. If I see a place that I'd like to camp, well, I'm just gonna stop, hang out, and enjoy a beautiful day. Sunshine, little, you know, a few scattered clouds, but other than that, it's absolutely beautiful. Alright, so I'm just down the street from Hearst Castle right now. Wow, that is amazing. You can see it way, way off in the distance. That place is enormous. They were not joking when they said castle. That thing is huge. That's just absolutely extraordinary. So I'm going to drive up ahead and see how far they'll let me drive. I highly doubt they're going to let me get anywhere near that place unless I take a shuttle or a bus of some sort. I'll definitely be coming back with my family, because that's not something that I want to pass up. Bring them back and let them take a peek. It's gorgeous. Alright, so I spotted some seals on the beach here. I'm going to go in for a little closer look. I pulled off at this viewpoint and kind of came down here to the ocean. It's all rocky. Anyway, kind of makes for like a little secluded place, but yeah, dude, definitely definitely super cool. And from here I think I'm going to I don't know, So from here I'm gonna head up to Monterey. Probably give my wife a call. I missed a call from her, so call and say what's up. Dude, I'm hanging out with the seals. Anyway, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. So went on a little hike, not really much or anything. Quarter mile maybe. Just right here along the beach. Saw a total of 11 seals. Anyway, pretty cool. They're not really doing anything. They almost didn't move at all. Even when I spoke seal to them. It's the weekend, so campsites are at a premium. I think tomorrow will be easier to get a spot. But today I'd like to get there before dark. Anyway, this place is gorgeous. I love this. You can see Hearst Castle right over there. Which, I mean, even from, I gotta be a couple of miles, maybe 3-4 miles away. Even from here, it's just absolutely amazing. That place is so big. So I got about another, I think 75 miles or so that I'm gonna ride today. But to be honest, the first store I see, I'm gonna stop and get some food to cook tonight. And then the first available campsite I'll probably take just cause. So, all right, back to the bike and back onto the road. This is a wicked jump. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! Yeah, right. Just give you an idea what I'm talking about here. Oh, no way. All right, check this out. Follow the zigzag trail down the cliffside to this secluded beach. That family there has it all to itself. They're the only ones that wanted to make the venture. Wow. Oh man. No way. So I'm right next to Whale Watchers Cafe. Just filled up with gas. How you doing?
Well, man.
Good. Right next to Whale Watchers Cafe. Just filled up with gas. Paid about $5.80 a gallon. That's the most I've ever paid in my life. But you know, the scenery is absolutely beautiful. Can't beat it.
Alright, so I'm at another one of those stoplights in the middle of nowhere. There's no intersection of any kind, but it's blocked down to one lane, I guess. This This probably has something to do with it. Landslides, whatnot. That chain covering the mountainside. You know, it's bad enough in a car, let alone a bike. I mean, even a boulder that big do me in pretty good. More big rocks. Alright, here we go. Just turn green. Get off my bike. Absolutely gorgeous down there. Every time I say to myself, I'm not gonna stop again. I mean, everything is so beautiful, there's no way that I can stop and record anymore. My battery's running low. I've kind of gone over budget on gigs for the day. But, you know, every time I turn the corner, I'm just like, oh, I gotta have a picture of that. I gotta shoot a little bit of film and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I gotta go find a campground. This place is unbeatable. Good. I'm probably crazy for asking, but is there any way to get a camp spot in the neighborhood?
Yeah, I think he does have. He had 2 spots. I saw one person back, so you can go ask him at the campground.
Dude, no reservations. I just got a spot in Big Sur. I am so thrilled. Yeah, I'm in spot 203.
Alright, so this is my camp for tonight. I'm up in Big Sur. Absolutely thrilled to have gotten a spot. Got a new hat, what do you think? Not really my style, but definitely warmer than what I've been using. Which is nothing, so anyway, yeah, just cooking up some spaghetti right now and charging my batteries and just kicking back, taking a break. Enjoying my campground, enjoying the day. Been an amazing day. It's been a lot of fun. You know, I've got a campfire going now. And I've got cell reception at my campsite, which has been cool. You know, I've been able to kind of chat with my folks and with my wife and with my kids, some of my friends from work. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the sack, get some shut-eye, get ready for another eventful day tomorrow. Don't want to get too close, but holy crap. You see that? That is unreal. Yes. Thanks for watching Me and My Shadow. My name is John Tippett, and I'll see you later. If this video made you smile, subscribe now and return the favor.